Nose blackheads and open pores treatment. Deep cleaning. Most people notice the blackheads. Very few notice the pores. But the truth is, they're connected. When pores become filled with oil and debris, they look darker, larger, and far more noticeable. Today's treatment focuses on both, removing stubborn blackheads and deeply cleaning open pores for a complete skin transformation. Why nose pores look larger? The nose contains hundreds of active oil glands. As excess oil builds up, the pores become congested. When that congestion remains for weeks or months, the pores appear more visible. The hidden buildup, what you see on the surface, is only part of the story. Deep inside each pore, layers of oil, dead skin, and impurities slowly accumulate. That's why deep cleaning is so important. Step 1. Deep cleansing. The skin is thoroughly cleansed to remove surface oil and prepare every pore for treatment. Step 2. Steam pore softening. Warm steam helps soften stubborn congestion trapped inside the pores. This makes extraction more effective. Step 3. Blackheads extraction. One by one, the blackheads begin leaving the pores. As each blockage is removed, the skin starts looking noticeably cleaner. Step 4. Deep pore cleaning. Now the focus shifts beyond blackheads. Each pore is carefully cleaned to remove remaining oil and debris. The nose begins looking smoother and more refined. Step 5. Visible pore transformation. With congestion removed, the pores appear. Heavy checkmark cleaner. Heavy checkmark less noticeable. Heavy checkmark more refined. The overall skin texture becomes smoother and healthier looking. Step 6. Skin recovery. A soothing treatment helps calm the skin and refresh the nose after extraction. Final results. Before, stubborn blackheads, congested open pores, uneven skin texture. After, cleaner looking pores, smoother nose surface, refreshed, healthier looking skin. Final message: healthy looking pores aren't about being invisible, they're about being clean. When congestion is removed, your skin can naturally look smoother, fresher, and more refined. If you enjoyed this nose blackheads and open pores treatment with deep cleaning, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more blackhead extractions, pore cleaning transformations, and satisfying skincare videos.